Hey guys, today we are going to take a look at how to make origami paper cups for germinating your seeds, probably in early spring. So this is how one of my paper cups looks like. I have some dirt inside it, and here's a placeholder plant to indicate a germinated one, and this is how the paper cup would look like once they are done. And let's take a look at what we need to make this and how to make that. So let me keep this aside. What I have here is I have this set of catalogs, the advertising material that comes in mail, and this is kind of a perfect size for making these paper cups, this small paper cups. And what I do is I just take one of the flyers out from the set, and this is how it would look like. I'll keep them this way. I'll keep them folded. Maybe enforce the folding a bit by creasing it, applying my finger. And the first step is fold it this way to make a crease. Okay, fold it by half and make a crease here. All right. Once you make a crease, now the reason why you're making a crease here is to identify the center of this paper. Now you open the fold and take this side, okay, not the one with the ends, but this side, and fold it along the center, okay, the crease that you just made. Okay, you folded it here to align this edge along the center of the crease that you just made, and repeat it with the next side. All right, so you have something like this. Now the next step is you take this paper, this edge, and then fold it to align with this side of what you just created. Okay, make a crease here and force the fold. The next step is you fold it once more along this edge. Okay, and we make a crease there. Enforce the crease with your fingers. Now turn it over. Okay, now the next step is identify that center seam that you have here, right, and the crease that you see here. The next step is fold it this way. Okay, align this edge with that crease and enforce the fold. Similarly here too, align this edge with the center of the fold, the crease that you see there, and make the crease a bit firm. The next step is fold this paper and align this edge with this side. Okay, and enforce the seam. Fold it once more. All right, so that this side aligns with this part, and make them enforce the seams. All right, now we need to make some creases, okay, so that when we open the cup, everything opens up and folds. All right, so identify this edge and fold this once, and make a crease there. Do it with the opposite side too. Okay, this is again just to make it easy when you open things up. Okay, and do like this. The next step is, so you made a crease here and there. All right, you fold it like this. Okay, you fold it like this, and you make a crease here. You fold this, you fold it like this, and you take this edge and fold it like this and make a crease here. Do it with the opposite side, make a crease there, and that's to just help you open this thing up. Okay, now the creases are all done. The last step before opening up is take this part and tuck it in. Okay, take this loose part and tuck it into this, and that would make sure that the cup holds really well. All right, so you may need to be a bit gentle here. tuck them in. And gently tuck them in, place them properly, align all the sides and make it firm. Okay, make a firm crease. All right, now it's ready. We are ready to open the cup up. Now insert your hands here and gently open it up. And as you open, remember this cone and the creases that we have here. When you open it up, gently let this bend along that crease that you made. Okay, gently let it bend along the fold along the crease that you made, and open it like this, and then place it on the floor on a flat surface.